Hello guys, my name is Kelly and welcome to the Diva Den. We are going to jump straight into today's video, which is a closet clean out collaboration. So if you are new here, I would love for you to subscribe and join my channel. But for now, let's get straight into cleaning out this closet. So the closet I'm tackling today is in my spare room, which used to actually be my daughter's room. And that's her wedding dress on the bed. So I need to get it up off the bed and hung up properly. So this is the closet I'll be working on in this room. And the whole room has just kind of become a huge dumping ground for things. So it's time to get, it together and clean it out. And I've kind of dubbed this the wedding closet, because it holds decorations that we use for engagement parties and things I'll be using for the wedding. Hopefully she can have it this year. And to most people this wouldn't seem very bad, but to me it's just cluttered. Like there's way too many things just shoved in here. I have to make it more organized so that if company does come, at least they can open it and use it if they need to. And here's her dress just lying on the bed, and unfortunately I can't give you a sneak peek of it, but it is so beautiful. But it needs to get hung up properly. So the first thing I'm going to do is just try to just empty off this whole shelf up top. It's got Christmas stuff, it's got Valentine stuff, it's got stuff that's my daughter's. I don't know if she still needs it. It's got empty boxes, you name it, it's up there. So the first thing I want to do is just clear that out so I can get started with a fresh slate. And I'll clean out the rest of the stuff that's hanging up and see what can be thrown out and what I can keep. Here's just a quick glimpse at some of the wedding stuff I've been collecting over the last few months, and as you can see, I've just kind of thrown it in there. And then this hanging shoe rack that I have, I keep my linens, my seasonal linens in there, but it's time to go through it and purge some stuff and just take out things that I know I don't use anymore, things that I don't want to use anymore, and I'm trying to pare down a bit. So it's just time to go through this and get it all sorted and cleaned out. So now I'm just going to make my three piles, my keep, throw out, and my donate piles. And these little bins with the green lids are really, really great for all the small stuff. So I'm just going through and making sure that everything in these are things that I want to use again, or maybe I'll even give to my daughter. Her and her fiance bought a new home, so she might need some of this stuff for her seasonal decor. But that's all I'm going to do now, is just start to sort and purge and toss anything I don't really love.
I just want to feel alive. It's just what I do when I'm out, so try not to hold me down. Feel alive when I'm in this town. Look at those beautiful stars. I want to drive a faster car. Nothing can break me. No, nothing can break me. Try not to hold me down.
Here's Gus sniffing that snowman, that Advent snowman. That's actually his when he was a puppy. I had it on a door for him. So I think he's wondering what I'm doing with it.
No, nothing can break me. Look at those beautiful stars. I want to drive a faster car.
Be sure to come follow me over on Instagram, and I'll leave my handle right here on the screen. I would love if you would come over and say hi and just get to know each other a little better over there.
No, this is my time now. I'm gonna be myself, or I could be someone else. No one's stopping me now. I'm gonna skip my breaks. I'm gonna make mistakes. I just wanna feel alive. It's just what I do when I'm out, so try not to hold me down. Feel alive when I'm in this town. Look at those beautiful stars. I wanna drive a faster car. Nothing can break me, no, no, nothing can break me. Try not to hold me down. Feel alive.
These advent calendars, these red felt advent calendars, I made my children when they were very, very little, and they still to this day love when I hang them on their door. So I will keep these for them and hang them on their bedroom doors when they come for Christmas time. But the reason I'm rolling them up and putting them up on the top shelf is I had them hanging, but they always seem to get in the way of closing the door. So I thought it would just be easier to roll them up and put them on top of the shelf.
I'm gonna skip my breaks, I'm gonna make mistakes. I'm gonna be myself, I'm gonna be someone else. I'm gonna be myself, I'm gonna be someone else. I'm gonna skip my breaks, I'm gonna make mistakes. I'm gonna skip my breaks, I'm gonna make mistakes. Try not to hold me down, feel alive when I'm in this town. Look at those beautiful stars, I wanna drive a faster car. Nothing can break me, no, no, nothing can break me. Try not to hold me down, feel alive when I'm in this town. Look at those beautiful stars, I wanna take a trip to Mars. Nothing can break me, no, no, nothing.
The number of hangers in this closet was crazy. It was just crazy. I mean, look at all these, and I've sorted through them here. So this was a good thing to do, was just to get rid of all the old hangers, ones I didn't need anymore, and just get rid of them. It's just clutter. It's just clutter that I don't need to have in the house. So I was happy to do that part. So this video is part of a Clean Closet collaboration, which is hosted by Abby from Abby's Nest, and I will be sure to leave a link to Abby's channel as well as a link to the playlist in my description box below. And please go check out and show some love to all the other ladies participating as well as Abby. And if you are coming over from one of the other ladies' channels, hello, welcome. I'm so happy you're here. My name is Kelly, and be sure to say hi in the comments and let me know where you've come from. So now that everything is out and purged, I decided to wipe down the door of the closet. It was filthy. I am embarrassed to show it. You probably can't see it very well on the camera, but it was really filthy. But the other thing I noticed too is it had a lot of chips in it. So it's that's a project for another day. I'll probably have to give it a fresh coat of paint, but at least it's clean for now. And here's the room all finished. You can see the dress is now off the bed, and this whole room just looks so pretty again. I do want to paint the walls. I'm not in love with the yellow, but everything is tidied up and the clutter is gone. And now I'm going to show you a glimpse into the closet, which I'm so happy I did, because it allowed me to purge things. I got rid of hangers, I got rid of old clothes, old linens I didn't need, and I love it. And I got the dress hung up, which was a bonus as well. So I'm really, really happy with the way this turned out. Like I mentioned at the beginning, it wasn't that bad, but it was enough that it was disorganized and things were starting to get out of control. So now I feel much better. The wedding stuff is in here, and all my other linens for the different holidays are cleaned out and purged, and what I have in here are things that I love. So I want to thank you so much for watching, and I hope that this inspired you to tackle something in your home that you've been trying to do, and it gave you some motivation to clean out a closet or to purge a cupboard or anything like that. Thank you again so much for watching, and I hope that you'll think about subscribing and giving this video a thumbs up if you liked it. It really helps me out. Don't forget to check out the link below to the playlist of all the other participants who are cleaning out closets, and a big thank you once again to Abby for hosting this collaboration. And until next time, until I talk to you in my next video, I hope that you have a really wonderful week. Bye.
I've been waiting for this, yeah. It's been up on my mind, though it's hard to realize.